Every time heavy rain occurs, severe flooding follows. The main causes of flooding include poor drainage systems, clogged waterways, and lack proper waste disposal. Flood brings trashes in the seashore. I strongly urge the government to improve drainage systems, clean canals regularly, and create a long-term flood prevention. I strongly urge you to put your wrappers in the bin, and we deserve to live better.